Alright, what is going on, everyone? Back at it again with another video today. Got Paldea evolved. I was late with the Scarlet and Violet one. This is actually my first time opening up Paldea evolved. So I'm excited. It sucks this is my first time opening it like that. This is my first time I've gotten a chance because I'm pretty broke. I'm only 15, so... but it's all good because we're going to be opening this right now. And let me tell you, my chase card, Quackable EX, Secret Art Rare, or the Illustration Rare, that is my chase card. I love Quackable. I chose Quaxley in the game. You know what I'm saying? Quaxley was the most underrated one, easily. So let's try to grab the Quackable Secret Art Rare. I do also like the Champal EX Secret Art Rare. That one's also really nice. And of course we will be trying to get, imagine we get the Iono Illustration Rare. Oh my god, that would be insane. It's another one. An Art Rare, the Baxcalibur, or the Tyranitar, right? The Tyranitar's in this one. I think those two are the most expensive ones, I believe. Oh my god, I can't. There's that. Do a little one thing for the energy. We got a Nimble, Mastiff, Slackoth, Paldean Wooper, Pinchurchin, Crocodile, Graphii, Phalanx, an Electrode, and a Wuchen EX Full Arts. First hit of the box, first hit of the day, already a Full Arts. And this is looking nice. I like Wuchen. I think Wuchen is definitely the most underrated one. I actually like his design. I think it's cool. His Secret Art Rare is really nice too, as well. Also, go ahead and leave a comment down below what your favorite starter was for Scarlet and Violet. As I said, mine was Quaxley. That whole evolution line was awesome. And then it was definitely Fuecoco. I thought the Sprigatito line was the worst in my opinion. Everyone liked it because it was a cat, Most cat Pokemon are cute. But that, bro, Meowscarada did not turn out well in my opinion at all. So... let me know what you guys think, but we got a Relor, Paldean Tauros, Practice Studio, Florigato, Bramblegast, Tinglu EX Secret Rare, or Secret Rare, Secret Art Illustration, Tinglu EX. I like this one. I like this one a lot. It looks cool. The ground is cracking. He's looking back. Is he looking back? Yeah, he is. He is looking back. Say this side's just a teeny bit thicker than that side, but that side's same thickness as this one, and I really like that. I like that a lot. This is a nice hit. I love that card. Let's see if we can pull 2 illustration rares. All right, that'd be nice. That would be really nice, wouldn't it? Maybe like a gold card. Gold card. There's the code card. I'm still thinking about that Tinglu, bro. That Tinglu looks awesome. Pikachu, Kufant, Krogunk, Rookity, Titan, Faulkner, the Dunsparce, Delibird, Oricorio, and a Lokix. I like Lokix. Bug and Fighting. He looks really cool in the game, in my opinion. Oops, grab 2 packs. Now Skeledirge, dude. Fuecoco and Crocodile and Skeledirge. I was really tempted to pick that one up when I saw the trailer. But after I saw Quaxley's whole evolution line, I was like, I know I gotta have that. Just had to fix the camera real quick, just in case it was bad. It kind of looked like it was leaning a little bit. We still haven't even pulled like a regular EX. Yep, that's my man. Still haven't even pulled like a regular EX. It's just been bangers. Got a Dendra, Paldea Wooper, and a Tyranitar Hollow. If I can pick this up, move it to the side. I do have another video that will actually be coming out. I'm going to be posting this one today. You know, I got nothing to wait for. So this video will come out the day of recording. And then I'll be recording another opening of a different set. And that'll come out tomorrow. So if y'all like what you guys see, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn notifications on so you guys know when I upload, what time tomorrow. I think tomorrow will be a really good one. I still haven't opened the box, but I just got it today. Same with this Paldea Evolved. I got both of them at the same time. Was a little expensive, so, you know, hoping to get some really good cards out of that one, you know what I'm saying? So make sure to stay tuned for that. Psychic Energy, Magikarp, Slowpoke, Litleo, Rockruff, Passimian, Spidops. We got that illustration rare in my last video for Scarlet and Violet, and a Palmont Hollow. Like, what's so different about these packs, man? Like, they're all so thick. Usually, you would pick out a thick pack, and, like, you would assume that it's a hit. But because of the way they have these cards all different, man, it's just all, like, really heavy, thick packs. So you never know what you're going to get because it's guaranteed hollow now. Rockruff, the Dunsparce, a Wigglytuff hollow. Alright. Been going through the right side this whole time, by the way. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that, but Choice Belt, Palmo, Jumpluff, Jigglypuff, and a Skeledirge EX. That's a nice looking Pokemon. And that's a nice looking card. I didn't even realize you can see like its lower body through the move names. I don't know why I forgot what it was called. The move names? I didn't know that. I don't know if that's a new thing. Is it? It looks kind of faded. Is that a new thing? I don't know. Okay, why is this pack being difficult? What the heck? There we go. Alright. Okay, there's the energy. Code card for you guys. You know, I got no use for them, so you guys can have them. If you guys do play the mobile game. Gothorita Art Rare. A Weevil Hollow. It's our first Art Rare of the box. It's a Gothorita. That's a Unova Pokemon. I would say top 3 regions, in my opinion. Kanto, #1. Love Kanto. That's the OG. Unova, and then Kalos. I loved the Unova series. I thought that was like such a fun thing to watch. I loved that series. Every episode was great. And then I mean Kalos was Kalos, dude. Like, how can you not like the Kalos region? XY series, dude. XYZ. Great show. Razorbacks and Spiritomb Hollow. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left on the right side. Alright, Slowpoke, Litleo, Rockruff. I was thinking about doing the pack trick for the one, but I was like, eh. And then Garganackle Hollow. Got that Iona reverse. Would be crazy to get her as an illustration rare, wouldn't it be? But chances... Why'd it open like that? Chances of getting 2 illustration rares or secret art rares in a 1 box, pretty slim. But it's okay. Because we're gonna believe. We're gonna believe. And we're gonna achieve. And we're gonna get that Iona out of this box. That Tinglu, great card. But Iona, even better. Dude, Iona, illustration rare, PSA 10. It's going for like what? I don't know if the price dropped. I haven't looked at it recently. I remember the last time I looked, it was like what, $600? It might be more. I don't know. I have no clue. I know these waifu cards be going up in price. You know what I'm saying? The women of Pokemon world. And it's Tyranitar Hollow. Just got a few more packs left on the right side. And then we'll be going to the left side of the box. Right side's been pretty good. Can't lie. Got that Tinglu illustration rare. So, can't lie, it's been pretty good. But let's about to see what the left side's got in store. Hopefully something even better. You know what I'm saying? It's so crazy to me, like all these other big YouTubers getting these boxes, getting the most insane hits in like the same box, you know what I'm saying? Like just one box full of hits, you know what I'm saying? Like 2, 3 illustration rares. You know, it's crazy. But we'll get there. We'll get there one day, you know what I'm saying? But we got a delivery drone, Mabo Stiff, and a Luxray Hollow. Getting a few hollows. We haven't had a hit in a minute, so let's see if Chinpao can really do it for us real quick. Can Chinpao get us a hit real quick? Or what? Code card. Glove Disc, Snover, Fletchling, Voltorb, Toxicroak, Crocodile, Pelipper, Rookidee, Dino, and a Glimmora Hollow with the Leaf Energy in the back, Grass type Energy. Alright, Meowscarada. Give me one more hit on the right side, and I'll be pretty satisfied. I'm not gonna lie. I'll be pretty happy. Got the code card.
Opening packs up?
Yeah.
Yeah, good?
Yeah, so far.
So far, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Wu Chain EX. It's pretty good. I got that. It's a illustration rare.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry about that. My dad came in. Okay, what's going on with this pack? Why is it not opening? Yeah. Okay, why is this pack not opening? Yeah, it was my dad, so sorry about that. Sneasel, Ratita, Marrow, Lingo, Satayan, Faulkner, the Dunsparce, Boss's Orders, and a Meowscarada EX illustration rare. What is going on? Double illustration rare. Not looking the best on the back. You know, this side's a lot thicker. And this side looks a little... You guys can probably tell. But it's okay. You know why? Because we're still going to send it in to get graded. You know what's going to happen with this? It's going to get a 10. It's going to get a 10. Because I'll slide him an extra $50. Yes, that's our second illustration rare. That's crazy because I was talking about YouTubers getting 2-3 illustration rares in one box. There's 2 illustration rares in one box, so that's crazy. And they came out of a Meowscarada pack. So that's what's up. Code card. Alright, first pack on the left side of the box. I mean, I'm already happy with this box, you know what I'm saying? I think this box has been really good. We got the Florgato. Ooh, imagine. Print quality is not really the best on these Scarlet and Violet, you know? Miscutting a lot. That definitely would not get a 10. It's okay, but it would be cool to have a whole evolution line. All 3 in a PSA 10. Sprigatito, Florgato, Meowscarada, all PSA 10. Do still wish I got the Quaxley. But it's okay. It's okay. Because we still got some a tough hit. So it's alright. Pineco, Tinkatink, Mankey, Delibird, Corviknight, Passimian, Viper, Phalanx, Abomasnow. That's the last card? Really? I thought there was one more. But it's okay. You know why? Because it's a Giacomo. It is double gold star, so I don't know if that means that is an illustration rare, right? Because that's what the Meowscarada and Tinglu have. So if so, that's our 3rd illustration rare. That might be the illustration rare version of Giacomo. So that's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. We've gotten a lot of bangers. Fortunately, though, they are like bad cut. So hard for them to get a good grade, but still amazing to look at. You know what I'm saying? Ice Cube and the Dedenne EX terrestrialization. It's nice. You gotta always have at least one terrestrialized, even if it's not. One second, guys. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, shoot. Sorry about that as well. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. As we're recording this video, it is actually my birthday. So they just called me down to get some cake. My dad. Thought I was in trouble for a second. The way he called me. I was like, what? What'd I do? But it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, this is basically a birthday present, but I bought myself a box as well, which is the next video that you'll see. Heracross, Flamigo, Low Kicks, Hollow. Yeah, look how like terribly cut that is. English Scarlet and Violet has not been the best, like quality wise. Code card. Code card. Water Energy, Pineco, Meryl, Mankey, Delibird, Spidops, Pyroar, Florgato, Vigoroth, Pupitar, Gyarados Hollow. How many art rares have we gone? 2. The Gatorita and the Florigata. That's it. I was low-key expecting more art rares rather than like big hitters, but I guess not. I think for these last packs, I'm not gonna do the card trick. I'm just gonna go right into it. But we got a Quaxley, Slacking, Holla. Double Slacking back to back. Well, okay then. So let's see what my boy Skeledirge has in his bag. You know what I'm saying? I hate that it opened like that. It's annoying. Good card. Super Rod, Love Disc, Snover, Fletchling, Masshold, Tinkatuff, Gothorita, Wattrel, Primeape, and Jumpluff. Hollow with the Dark Energy. I really think that Annihilate definitely deserves. I mean, he's got a like this next set after Pokemon 151 or Obsidian Flames. That's right. Obsidian Flames, he gets, or no, he doesn't. I mean, I'm not certain that he gets anything, but he should get at least an EX for sure, or he should be a face of a set easily. I love Annihilate. That's such a cool Pokemon. Magnemite, Meowscarada EX. There we go. We're getting all the Sprigatito stuff. Kind of wish it was Quaxley, but it's alright because we still like Meowscarada, and Meowscarada clearly likes me, so it's okay. Voltorb, Clavel, Dunsparce, Noibat, Palma, Honchkrow, Quaxwell, Pikachu, Veluza, and Electric Energy. I see this pack that I put in the back before I open that first pack. It's gotta be good. It's gotta be good luck. The Iono is in there. Four illustration rares, 1 box. Wouldn't that be crazy? Quaxley. Oh, Sprigatito. Dude, imagine we got Sprigatito, Quaxley, and then that was Fuecoco. Wouldn't that be crazy? Just all 3 starters back to back to back. Do we get him in this pack or no? I guess not. No, we don't. That sucks. It's okay. It's okay. That would be really cool though, I feel like. I would still, I do still kind of hope for at least an art rare. I mean, especially, oh my god, the Fuecoco art line of him in the grocery store, dude, it's so cute. It's awesome. I love it. I love it. And Quaxley looking in the mirror, fixing his hair. Love that even more. Love it even more. Love it even more. Frigibax, Tynamos, Totodile. Wait, what? Cetadil. I don't know why I said it like that. Makuhita, Spirit Bomb, Abomasnow, Spiritomb. Why am I saying Pokemon names wrong right now? That's so random. It's okay. It's A-okay. So we got the code card. Rookity, Pikachu, Slack Off, Wattrel, Kilowattrel. That's cool. Evolution line. Back to back. Oh my god, we did it. We did it. We got Sprigatito, Florigata, and Meowscarada. Isn't that crazy? That's awesome. And of course, out of the 3, this one is the best one in condition. But isn't that awesome? We got the Sprigatito are rare. Got the Florigato are rare. Then we got the Meowscarada EX. Then we got the Meowscarada Illustration Rare EX. Play Coco, Watchful, Tinkatink, Pelipper, Fletchinder, Toxicroak, Slowpoke, Combi, Sableye, and a Leaf Energy. But yeah, man, let's go. Whole evolution line. That's awesome. I really like that. That's dope. Why does it open like that sometimes? It's so annoying. But it's A-okay. Because we just gotta be positive. Because that's the best thing, is positivity. Fuecoco, Bramblin, Cufant, Krogunk, Ice-Q, Knucklestack. You need to be the Full Art Trainer or the Illustration Rare, please. And the Baxcalibur, Hollow. Wish you were the Art Rare. But we're good. Last 2 packs. We're gonna go with the Skeledirge first because I purposely put the Meowscarada back there because I picked him up on accident. So I was like, all right, I'll send you in the back. Watch it be good luck. Basic Energy, Strudel, Glimmet, Bramblin, Shinx, Oranguru, Electrode, Vigoroth, Noibat, Toxicroak Reverse, and a Bellibolt EX. Now, if you say you don't like Bellibolt, you're lying. You're just lying. There's no way anyone doesn't like Bellibolt. It's a funny, dumb-looking Pokemon, and it's so cute because of how chunky it is. Code card. Psychic Energy to start it with a Glimmet. Frigibax. I actually like that artwork. It's a nice looking artwork. Tandemaus, Sprigatito, Polisand, Gothitelle, Arctibax, Slowpoke, Tinkatuff, a Garganacl Hollow. Well, what can I say, man? That was a really good box. I can't lie. I really can't. Got the Bellibolt EX, the Sprigatito Art Rare, the Meowscarada EX, the Dedenne EX Terrassalized. Now, this is the full art, but it has the 2 stars, so I don't know if it's just a normal full art or if it's the illustration rare version, but it's okay. Then we got the Florigato Art Rare. And then right after, it's the Meowscarada Art Rare, illustration rare. That is so cool that we got all 3. Wuchen EX, Gothorita Art Rare, Skeledirge EX. It's crazy how we didn't get one thing Quaxly or Quackable related. No hits in this box for Quaxly or his evolution line. That's so sad. Tinglu and Wuchen. So those are the hits of the box. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Again, subscribe. I'll be posting another video tomorrow. And it's going to be on a really special box. I'm sure you guys will like it because I'm sure it's going to have really good hits. Just as this one did, this one had really good hits. So, see y'all tomorrow. Bye.